So, what? Oh, I know what it is. You guys want your hair to grow fast, right? Pretty much overnight, right? That's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna tell you the truth. But if you do want your hair to grow within like 3 months of a period and you're willing to do these simple steps, this is the video and this is the product. This is not a gimmick. This is really legit. This is healthy, organic ingredients in this actual product that's really going to help improve your hair quality overall. It's going to stimulate your scalp. It's going to provide you natural, shiny, beautiful, soft, luscious hair. Stop breakage and eliminate dandruff. It's just going to give you that healthy scalp. Or if you're dealing with just, you got hair, you just want it longer, this is for you too. Yeah, because I got hair, it's long, it's thick, it's luscious, it's healthy. But yes, a girl wants tailbone hair length. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chablee, and if you guys are new here, hey, I do a lot of reviews on luxury high-end products and a little bit of contacts, and I talk a little bit about natural hair tips and electric cars like Tesla. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, you need to hit that subscribe button. Yes, you do. But anyway, let's go. Let's make this video nice and fast, get straight to the point, show the high-end luxury qualities of this item and the details that you guys need to know before purchasing it. Got a package? Let's open her up. Ooh. It's from Revitalize. It's actually hair growth oil that's going to stimulate your scalp and improve hair quality, hair follicles, healthy hair, and hair growth, you guys. I am so excited for this review. If you guys are having struggles and problems with losing your hair, or you're just not gaining hair retention, you're getting a lot of breakage or anything like that, I think this is the right video you need to watch. I'm going to give it a proper review of this wonderful product that I am so excited to give a review on today that I received in the mail. Let's jump into it. First of all, their packaging is so elegant, and their ingredients that they use for their products, as you see right here, so healthy, so perfect, and your hair is going to love it. Look at the packaging, you guys. It is so elegant, so modern, and very, very easy to read. Everything is like in order, they're not trying to mislead you. It's no hidden messages. Everything is all right there. Yes, you guys, this product is for all hair types, and I'm so excited to demonstrate it for you guys today. It looks like this is the hair growth starter kit. Let's see what's in her. So excited. Look at that. Wow, you guys. Wow, that's all I can say. Look at the starter kit. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is gonna give thicker hair, improving my hair. I'm gonna use this definitely. The packaging is wonderful, and the ingredients is right there. All healthy ingredients. Perfect thing to try. So healthy in the long term overall. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work good for curly hair. All right, then we got this one, you guys. It's going to give you a healthier scalp. You're gonna actually drop this on your scalp, directly on your scalp, dirty hair or clean hair. It says providing like clean hair, and give your hair a proper massage. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that with using this product. This is not a weave, you guys. This is my hair. All right, don't forget, stimulate that scalp using your fingertips, not your fingernails. You do not want to damage your hair follicles. So you want to go gently in a nice circle motion like that. You see, it's matted and tangled, but the girl got thick. It's thick. It's a lot of hair going on, y'all. This stuff works. Like, this is a lot of hair. This is thick. Like, a girl's thick here. So revitalizing scalp oil, you guys, this is it. This is the container. This is what it looks like. This is glass. It's always great to have wonderful products like this in a glass because it preserves it and it's just higher quality material. There she is. And this one, again, is going to improve your hair density. So it's going to make it much thicker, fuller, luscious, shinier, healthier overall. Okay? This is going to help improve your scalp because your scalp has to be very healthy to provide healthier hair. Just like if you are growing a flower or a plant or gardening, you know, you got to get that soil, that dirt, everything where you're going to plant that seed at. It has to be nice, nutrient, a lot of vitamins, you know, the dirt, the mud, the water, everything has to work all together, honey. Same thing with the hair, kind of. Bad example, I don't know, but hey, you're going to twist her like this. And look at that. Look how pretty and glossy that is. Now, you can put her on your fingertips and apply her. I'm just going to dab it in those areas that I need it the most. Ignore my dirty hair, y'all. I need a wash. I'm going to put it around that crown of my head because that's where I need it the most for me. Because a girl got thin edges and I want to get it nice and thick. I want to really improve my hair length, definitely, and thickness around the edges because they are just short. So yeah, rub that in. Make sure you don't get in your eye again. Reverse method. That blood going to your scalp, you guys. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a tea tree. I love the smell of it. When I massage, you guys, it sounds funny. I say, grow, grow, healthy and long. I talk to it. I give it love. I'm not mad at it. It's just stubborn, but it's good. The hair is going to get through it. You know, I don't know. I'm weird. Beautiful, long, natural, healthy, gorgeous, shine, luscious hair. Thick, full, beautiful hair. And I imagine it. I think I rubbed it in long enough. I'm only gonna be upside down. I'm gonna speed up the tape, you guys, but I'm gonna for like 3 minutes, or maybe 2. But I recommend if you have high blood pressure, don't do this. I am not a doctor or a nurse or nothing like that. But if you have some health issues, don't do it, okay? Get up. Lost hearing. When you get up very slowly, okay? You don't want to feel dizzy or lightheaded or anything. So, slowly. To speed up your hair growth, right? That's what you want, right? You want longer, thicker, fuller hair? I'm about to reveal some secrets, y'all. Now, when you're massaging your scalp, you guys, really make for sure you avoid it from going into your eye. It would burn. Don't do that. I mean, if you want your eyebrows to grow, just dab it like that, but don't do no extra stuff, you know what I mean? Just be careful of your eyes, okay? All right, you guys, and they provide me this secret little box. Let's see what's inside of her. Ay, so cute. OMG, look at that, you guys. This is a stimulating gemstone brush. Let's get that out of there. It's perfectly bubble wrapped. I love, appreciate their packaging. When companies do great packaging, it just really shows appreciation. You know what I mean? That you appreciate us and oh my gosh. Wow. So their name is written on there, you guys. Now, if you don't know about stones, this is a jade. A jade is for money, you guys. Wow. I love that. It's so well made. I love it. It's not really sharp. Like the ends are kind of like, you see, like that. It's not like a pencil or anything. It's more like a line kind of comb. So this is really to help improve hair growth and stimulate your scalp as well. And the meaning and healing properties of this stone is right here. If you guys are into healing stones, I really appreciate this piece. I will definitely take good care of this great piece. All right, this is the Restore Hair Serum container. This is what it's going to look like. Ooh, that baby is glass. I love dark tinted glass bottles. It helps preserve the oil, you guys, especially when you're doing organic oil. That's what she looks like. Yes. The label says thickness, growth. And it looks like this. Woo! Woo! It smells like a high-end luxury spa. Very minty. Oh, she's gooey. She's thick. It's a little gooey in there. I like it. So this is where I need it the most, you know, right in those edges where that hair is just thinning. Not the fingernails. Get that jade. Whew. Wow, I did it. That felt good. That felt really good. Well, I really hope you guys subscribe because I want to show you the 180 that this is going to do. Like, it's going to just dramatically be thicker, fuller, healthier, stronger, and longer in a short matter of time. So just go ahead and subscribe so you can see the next step, the next process, as I keep showing the improvement of using this wonderful high-end, luxury, affordable product, you guys. And yes, they do have a really wonderful Instagram, and that's how I found them. And that's it right there. You can definitely check it out. Yep. And their website is right there too. So check it out. They got some great things on there. Very just straight to the point. Rthvi.com, you guys. And this company is so nice. So this is what this one looks like. It's the hair oil. This one's also for your scalp. This is the rosemary one. It's more of a clear tone to it. Looks so luxury. Ooh, smells great. I'm definitely going to apply this on my body too, you guys, because this is the business. Even though it's for your hair, but it just smells so wonderful. Yes, I want tailbone hair length. All the way down, healthy, nice, thick, full hair. This is just gonna help speed up the process just a little bit, and it's very affordable, all healthy ingredients, easy to try, and I see results. That's basically it. All right, now we finally have came to the end. I hope you guys really appreciate this video. I love doing videos like this because it's really going to help you. You know, you're really gonna see improvement. I did my research on this product line and you are definitely gonna get the results that you're looking for. This is definitely a product that you want to use at least for 3 months. So don't, be a little bit patient, you know what I mean? But make for sure when you use this product, you drink enough water, you change your diet slightly too. It's certain foods like this, salmon, avocado, some salads, certain foods you should eat, chia seeds, that's really gonna help improve the hair as well. Just a little booster upper, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So hit that subscribe button right here if you guys appreciate videos like this, me taking the time out explaining this product and for you to really understand this product and for you to actually try it with me. Give this video a thumbs up and bye loves. I will see you to the moon and stars and back. Peace, love, and respect.